Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete ChatGPT generated images. So if you've generated images in ChatGPT and you want to remove them, here's what you need to know. So generated images are stored within the conversation where they were created. So to remove them, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Next, on the left sidebar, go to Library. So click Library. Now in here at the top, select Images. Next, on the right side, click these three lines right here. Now from the options, look for Generated and click on that. So once you click that, it will show you all the images you've generated in ChatGPT. So look for the image that you want to delete. You can open it and it will open the whole conversation, or you can click the three dots beside it and click delete or remove. If you click that, so this will be moved to recently deleted and will be deleted permanently after 30 days. So click delete and it will be removed from your library. You can also click on that. So click the image, then click the delete icon in the top right corner and click delete again to confirm the action. And that image will be deleted. Next, you can also go to the recent conversations on the left sidebar. Now in here, look for the conversation. So click on the conversation. So once you click that, so look for the image that you want to delete. So let's say, for example, I have the image right here. Now what you need to do to delete it is to click the three dots in the top right corner and click delete button and click delete again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.